During a family workshop, it's important to not just tell families a reading tip, but really show them a reading tip in action. There are many ways you can model a reading tip. You can model each step in the reading tip as you explain them, or explain each of them, and then model the steps all together. You can also model with a child volunteer or another adult, or as a think aloud. The important thing is that families can really picture themselves using the reading tip at home. Watch how this facilitator models the reading tip, I Wonder. Note the steps in the reading tip are: read the cover and wonder, use questions to help your child think about the title and the picture on the cover, read the back and wonder. The back of the book is usually like a preview to a movie. Consider, what in the description is interesting to your child? Read a page and wonder. This can be a page in the middle or closer to the beginning. If they want, your child could read more than one.
So today's reading tip is called, I Wonder. Can you say I wonder?
I wonder.
I wonder a lot of things about a book. Like, look at this book. Look at this picture.
The girl look angry.
She does? This book is called The Recess Queen. So I wonder, the Recess Queen, what do you think the Recess Queen is going to be about?
Her gonna be angry and the kids are gonna be scared.
You think so?
Yeah.
Wow. I wonder if she's going to play with the kids really nicely or make them run away from her. No, let's look at the back. Oh, look at this little girl. What does she look like?
She looks like her playing with a ball.
She looks like she's playing with a ball. She looks happy though. I wonder if the Recess Queen is going to bother her or play with her.
I think her gonna steal the ball.
You think the Recess Queen is going to steal the ball?
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think about the Recess Queen? You said she looks mad. Why do you think she looks mad?
Because she wants to be the Recess Queen, the only Recess Queen.
Did you read this book before?
No.
No? Okay. All right. I want to read a page. I'm going to read you a page, and then we'll see. Let's see. The Recess Queen. Wow. Let's read a page. It says, Mean Jean was the Recess Queen, and nobody said any different. Nobody swung until Mean Jean swung. Nobody kicked until Mean Jean kicked. Nobody bounced until Mean Jean bounced. So what do you think about Jean?
She being too rude to people.
Wow. So what do you wonder is going to happen towards the end of the story?
I think her gonna wonder how to be nice.
You wonder if she's going to learn how to be nice? I wonder if she's going to learn how to be nice because this is not starting off too good. You think? I wonder what these kids think about her.
They might think about her too rude today.
She's too rude today?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you think that?
Because her looks too angry and her arms are like that.
Arms? Oh, her arms look angry? Let me see. How does her? Oh, okay. That is cool. So when we wonder, we ask questions, we take turns wondering and thinking about the text. So, what do you think the big problem is going to be in this story?
She's gonna get angry because someone might bump into her.
You think that's going to be the big problem?
Mm-hmm.
So, I wonder if the big problem is going to be if the kids know how to stand up to her and be able to play nicely. Yeah. Wow, you're doing really good at this. So who do you think all of these kids are? Who do you think these kids are in the story?
Girls and boys.
Girls and boys from where?
From their houses.
Like from their houses? Where are they? Where do you think they, I wonder where they are. Where do you think they are?
I think some are in Virginia Beach
In
and
Virginia Beach? Where are they all at in this picture, in this story?
at school.
At school? Okay, I wonder if they all are at school.
I know they're at school.
You know they're at school. How you know?
American flag.
The flag is usually at school. Okay. Well, I'm so happy I got to wonder about this book with you. Because I think I can't wait to finish reading it so we can see if you're right. What happens at the end, okay?
Okay.
All right, so today's tip, we wonder about the front of the book, the back of the book, and we ask questions about the story.
Now it's your turn. What was effective about this model? Why was it effective? What do you think about the reading tip, I wonder, that you didn't know before? What nuance will you be sure to model in your workshop? Picture yourself as a family in a workshop. In addition to the steps in the reading tip, what else might you learn about coaching a child at home from this model?